Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I'm gonna show you this bar which is from a brand known as Oh My Goodness Nutritional Anytime Bar. It has tropical granola and our recipe contains, they have written no nuts, no dairy, and something else was there which is missing now. Over here they have mentioned bar full of premium quality dash and nothing else. And here is the nutritional information like fat, energy, fiber, protein, salt and all. The bar is 45 grams and let's open it. So this is how it looks like. It is very soft. As I can see, it has oats and some kind of that rice, and it's like cherry over here. As you can see over here, it's like a cherry or raisin. I'm gonna eat it and let you know. It's very nice. I had it. It's amazing. So friends, if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more such videos, and go and try this chocolate bar. Not chocolate, it's a bar, and it's very healthy. Thank you friends. Bye bye.